Hello everyone. So today we are looking at the board paper pattern of economics for your SYJC. Now, initially we know that we start from objectives. Objectives में question 1 में. Now this is it depends on the person who's setting the paper. 8 choice of questions is given here for that person. कि इसमें से कोई भी 4 he will ask. Now from this you have choose the correct option. MCQs. There is complete the correlation. We know that we've done complete the correlation questions. Uh, two and two pairs are given, and you have to complete which is the correct correlator. Give economic term. There will be a statement to which you have to give the correct economic term for it. Odd word out. Find the odd word out. There will be a list of words. You have to find the odd word out. Complete the following statements. A lot like MCQs. You'll be given options to fill in the blanks. Choose the wrong pair. Which pair is wrong that you have to choose from the given pairs. Assertion and reasoning. This, many times people feel it is a difficult question to attempt. You will have one assertion, you will have one reasoning, and then you will have a list of options where we say either the assertion is correct, or the reasoning is correct. Assertion is correct but reasoning is wrong. Assertion is wrong but reasoning is correct. Or both are correct or both are wrong. So you have such options in this. And then there's identify the right group of pairs. There will be pairs given. You have to identify which is the correct group of pairs. Now, per question, 1 mark. So 1 mark questions, 5 questions will be there. As I said, any 4. Let's say they decide to ask these 4. So these 4 questions, if they decide to ask, you'll have 5 questions in each sub question, 1 mark for each. So a total of 20 marks. 5, 10, 15 and 20. So a total of 20 marks you have in this objective question. They can ask you any 4 out of these 8. So remember to practice all 8 types of questions. There are such questions which we have done of all the types. There are questions of all these types given in your textbooks. So make sure to practice at least a few questions of all the different types. So you have practice of how to solve each type of question. So that's it for objectives. So if 20 marks, you have objectives. If your concepts are clear, you can make sure to catch these 20 marks. These 20 marks are very easy to get. So make sure to read the questions properly and attempt these objectives. Then subjectives. In subjectives, you have question 2, A and B. In question 2A, you have identify and explain the concept. There will be a concept given and you have to explain it. And then distinguish. So identify, explain the concept. 2 questions you will get. 2 marks per question you will get. And any 3 out of 5. So you have options here. 5 questions will be given and you have to attempt any 3. So 3 out of 5 you have to attempt. 2 marks per question. So total of 6 marks for this identify, explain the concept. Distinguish between, again, any 3 out of 5. 5 questions will be there. You have to attempt any 3 in options. 2 marks per question. Now 2 marks per question means you need to write 2 points at least. And 6 marks total for distinguish. Then you have answer the following. These are your short answers. Short answers for 4 marks each. Again, any 3 out of 5. And 12 marks total for your short answers. State with reasons whether you agree or disagree. You need to state the reason. There will be a statement given. You have to say whether you agree or you disagree. If you agree, then why? If you disagree, then why? You have to explain it. 4 marks per question. So you cannot write just agree. You have to explain it. In the economic sense, why? So again, any 3 out of 5 questions and 12 marks total for agree disagree questions. Study the following table, figure, passage. Now this is again another easy question. You can get a figure, let's say you can get demand curves, or they might give you a table, demand schedule or something, or they might give you a passage. You have to read it or look at the figure or table, and you have to answer the questions that follow it. You have any 2 out of 3. 3 questions will be given, attempt any 2, 4 marks each, and 8 marks for this question. This question is very easy. Make sure to do it well. And this answer in detail, the last question. You have 8 marks per question. You have to attempt 2 questions. So 2 8-mark questions you have to write. 3 questions will be given. Attempt any 2 out of them. And 16 marks total for this. So all in all, if you see, objectives are easy. So this 20 marks are easy to get. You have this study the following table, fifth one. These 8 marks are also easy to get. You have to make sure to elaborate, write pointers, headings, explain each of those headings for this answer in detail, as well as answer the following. And state with reasons whether you agree, disagree. Make sure to explain why. So that is your 80 marks paper. This paper pattern will be followed for your prelims, for your board paper. So make sure to go through the paper pattern and accordingly practice questions.